Kids, can you tie your shoelaces? Let's try an activity on shoelace tying. Cut the given sheet along the die marks and tie given shoelaces onto it. Color the picture with crayons. Write your shoe size in the given space.